going to visit Puth Kiri mountain. Chúng dân mà nó xa tập bèn đã lỡ xa mùi lỡ dân bọt lại xa tập bèn đã cái bọt đằng từ
we nearly arrive at Puth Kiri.
Yeah.
We need to turn right here at this point and go on for another 8 kilometers. Well, at this point we are turning right now. Okay, the road is really good. Easy for us to drive, so it will take us just about 5 minutes. Okay, we've done for 4 kilometers and another 4 kilometers go. Okay, there are some flower sellers along the road. Several sellers. Okay. Zoom it. Yeah. So most welcome to Kiri Buddha Cambodia.
See something over there.
What is that? Can you guess?
I don't know.
It's a Buddha statue. I think this is at the from the back, right? Or from the side? Okay, so can we check it out clearly? Look at this, Nana. What do you see, Nana? Nana, what can you see here?
Wow.
Buddha statue.
Buddha statue.
Statues.
Wow, I like it.
អូមានបងតូចនៅខាងក្រោមទៀតនេះ right
Oh.
okay
See it.
so today we visit the Puth Kiri mountain, but unfortunately it rained today. But although it rained, but I hope we can take some videos for you to watch about this tourism place. And so you can see at my back many statue Buddha has been built and put around the mountain. Fortunately today it rained, so but anyway I hope I can take some videos for you. Well, even though it is raining right now. Let's go and see the mountain all together. មានភ្ញៀវទេសចរច្រើនហ្នឹងអានេះឡានឡើងណែនហ្មងណាដោយសារជាថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ So as we can see that this mountain has many Buddha statue and all the Buddhas are golden in color. This one they build a Buddha statue with many monks and many women to worship the Buddha. And there are two staircases. The two staircases on both sides, on the right hand side and on the left hand side. And we will climb this staircase up to the mountain. And all the you can see that on both sides of the staircase there are also many Buddha statues alongside. So the mountain is not very high. We can take this staircase up the mountain, and as you can see that many so plenty of Buddha statues have been built put around this mountain. Even the staircase here, they put all the Buddha statues here at the side, at both sides, on the right and on the left. So on the top of the mountain there is a big Buddha statue, but I think the statue is being built, is being constructed right now. Well, let's go and see. The staircase is really beautiful, with the green color on both sides and the pink color in the middle. And you can see from here. See it from here. Look backward. Look at this. Look at this. Right. Okay. And look at this. We'll climb up. If we look at the side of the mountain, I will show you. There's also many Buddha statues around the mountain. Here you see the yellow. That's the golden Buddha statue. We look from the top. It's not the top yet, but look from the upper staircase. It's really beautiful. It's really amazing, beautiful. This is the front staircase. នេះជាដើរឡើងខាងមុខហើយមានត្រកល់ព្រះពុទ្ធរូបច្រើនពុទ្ធរូបគង់ភ្នែនច្រើននៅខាងចំហៀងខាងនេះបានលាបពណ៌ទឹកមាសរួចហើយនេះខាងលើគេដាក់អក្សរពុទ្ធគិរីកម្ពុជាណា Arrive at the top of the mountain. You say, oh. Well, the big Buddha statue here. We're on the top of the mountain, so we will look from the top. Wow, we can see here. This is the front. The staircase we have just climbed is just from the side, but this staircase is at the front, and there are many Buddha statues. But some Buddha statues is not yet colored yellow. It's still gray. You see, you see. Everyone is holding umbrellas and other people wear raincoat because it's raining today. It is steeper. The front staircase is steeper than the side staircase. You can see here. It's under construction, not yet finished. At this side also have many Buddha statues. All has been colored into a golden color. So we can say golden Buddha statue. Yes. Around, all around the mountain. Look. Okay. And here is the surrounding view of the mountain. Some tourists, they donate some money to the monk. Hey, look at this. This is the information of the Buddha Kiri Cambodia, and you can see here the information. Meditate Buddha, 84,000 Buddha statue, and the cost is $21 per Buddha statue. And for the standing Buddha statue, there are 5,000 Buddha statues, and the cost is $80 per Buddha statue. And there are 1,114 steps for the staircase, the utility poles, and the pond. Oh, they have the pond. We have not seen yet the pond. Well, building Buddhist monk. Okay, so this is the information. Many Buddha statues. Well, you can add up the 84,000 and 5,000 Buddha statues. All together, there are 89,000 Buddha statues. Wow, that's amazing. Hello? This is at the back. This is at the back. Also, there are a lot of golden Buddha statues. So there are many Buddha statues around the mountain. If you have some time, you should. I recommend you can come and visit the place. That's really amazing. It's on the top of a not really high mountain, so we can just climb easily. This is the surrounding view. What is this? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Mà Pim pính máu luôn ta bà lúc ta bọn ông thống đi khánh cả muốn đi co sang hai sai ta
ba co sang hai xa buôn tới là lâu nó đôi thà trong pre po đi giờ trong
chứ
đi thà được co sang đá nè bố này
bà
co sang đá là hay
thơ cài là mình
đông luôn trầm tiêu mấy tầm on luôn trầm tiêu nè phẹt đấy luôn ai đông luôn tiêu trong ke o tiết
bàถ้าเพลย์โจมาแล้วสวนมันแทนRed cow tiger so this is the zodiac for each year. So I recommend that you should manage some time to visit here. And so if you like this video, please give it a thumb up and share it. And don't forget, subscribe it. Thank you.